A must-have side for your summer barbecue. This easy, creamy coleslaw is super simple to make with one ingredient that makes it the best ever. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making the best creamy coleslaw. It's super easy to make. I got inspiration from, that KFC coleslaw, but this is so perfect as a summer side dish and so easy to make in advance. So let's get started. All you're going to need to make your coleslaw is some really shredded or chopped up cabbage and carrot. I already have it chopped and cut up here. This is actually a pre-mixed coleslaw that I got at the grocery store, but you can certainly use your food processor or just cut up a head of cabbage, and then the shoestring carrots or matchstick cut carrots also work well too if you're in a time pinch. But you can really cut it up any way you like. I've seen it done on a box grater. You can do it in your food processor. Just using a knife works well too. You also will need some mayonnaise. I like to put a little bit of non-fat or low-fat Greek yogurt just to kind of offset the calories that are in mayonnaise. Apple cider vinegar gives it a nice little bit of sweetness with kick. Some sugar. If you don't want to use sugar, you can use honey in replace of the sugar. I like the sugar because it adds a nice sweetness that kind of balances out that tanginess from the yogurt. Salt and pepper. And then my secret ingredient, which is not so secret, it's just a very classic coleslaw that some people don't ever know what it is the celery seed. You cannot have coleslaw without celery seed. That's just my opinion. So to make our coleslaw dressing, we're going to add the mayonnaise to a bowl. We're just going to mix together all the ingredients for the dressing. Apple cider vinegar, the sugar, yogurt, and some salt and pepper. And I'm just gonna add a couple pinches of the salt and pepper to start. You can season it at the end if you feel like it needs more seasoning. And just mix all of that together until it's smooth and creamy. All right, that's it. I like to add the celery seed to the salad after we've mixed in the dressing. So we're just gonna pour the dressing over the cabbage and carrot mixture. Get all of that off the bottom. You want every last bit. And we'll just give it a quick stir. And I really like this recipe because it's not overly mayonnaisey. You can certainly double up the dressing if you like it to be like really coated in the dressing, but we don't really love it with too much dressing. Plus, once you pour the dressing onto the cabbage and you let it sit, it's going to kind of wilt down your vegetables a little bit and soak up that dressing. So it releases a little bit of moisture. You really don't need a ton of dressing in your coleslaw. All right, now that it looks like all of your ingredients are coated in the dressing, we're going to add the celery seed. And it just gives it a really unique flavor that is like so classic coleslaw. So don't skip it. It's kind of peppery, but not. I don't even know how to describe it. I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna use a giant spoon for my little bite. It's perfect. With a slight tanginess, a little hint of sweetness, not overly sweet, definitely not too much mayonnaise, and you can really get that hit of the celery seed. So if you're looking for a quick and easy side dish for the summer, this is just what you need. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.